Okay, so this is our app prototype. Our app is named Swasthi Life. This is our welcome page. So here the user can enter his name, his WhatsApp mobile number. The OTP will be sent to his mobile number and you can sign up easily. Then we have an option in which you can register your family. You can enter the details of the family members one by one, name, age, gender, and in this way you can register your whole family to our Swasti Life app. This is the login option if you already have an account. So this is the main interface of our app. This says Namaste Ram, which shows that we are Indians, and we can change the language from this drop down. We can change it to Hindi, Bengali, or any language any person is comfortable with. We have four main options visible on our screen. One is alerts, notifications, locate, and schemes. If we open alerts, for example, there is a recent dengue outbreak in your city, so it will show you 44 cases reported around your area in the last 48 hours. Find out precautions and treatment. So the alerts will be personalized based on what age group you belong to. If you are a child who is below 5 years of age, this will be the alert that will be shown first. So that is what the AI controls. Next, we come to Suchnaएं. We have changed it to Hindi because if someone is comfortable with Hindi, he or she can read it in Hindi. It says Guru Nanak Charitable Medical Center, Dwarka, Dwara Portal, 40 Kalkaji, New Delhi 110019. इसमें you can enter एंड यू कैन सी ऑर्थोपेडिक कैंप एक ऑर्गेनाइज करा गया है, तो आप इसे खोल के एक्सेस कर सकते हो. सारी डिटेल्स आपको इसमें दी जाएंगी. दिस इज़ द सूचनाएं वाला फीचर ऑफ आर ऐप. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू लोकेट. There are several features. Government hospitals near you. You can access mohalla clinics near you, and then you can access Jan Aushadhi Kendra near you. Coming to schemes, this is the star feature of our app. If we open any of the schemes, for example, I am opening PMJ scheme. So first of all, it gives you the overview of your scheme. Then you have several features which you can access. You can read about the overview and benefits. You can check your eligibility if you are eligible for that particular scheme. If you belong to that age group, you can find hospitals. You can track your status, your application status. You can visit the official website of this scheme. There is a helpline and chatbot available too. And here is the multilingual info if you want to change the language in which you want to read about the scheme. So that's it about our app. Thank you.